So, Mrs. Grumple has her CBT this week. And me? Well, I've decided to spend some time reminiscing about that day where I spent 7 hours pretending I understood a clutch, praying I didn't stall in front of the instructor. So here are some things that I wish I knew before taking my compulsory basic training session. Compulsory basic training session. You'll stall. Everyone stalls. The instructor, he'll nod politely, but inside he's already seen 40 versions of you this week alone. Also, shoulder checks. You are going to be flinging your head around like you're checking for assassins. Another thing, don't worry about speed. Worry about balance. Slow control is where souls go to die. And, well, if you're like me, maybe you'll accidentally wheelie into a roundabout, fall off, panic, wheel your bike back to the road before the instructor notices. True story, he never noticed. He just thought somehow someone else bent the clutch lever. Then there's the road section, which is supposed to be the easy bit. But every second instruction, your earpiece crackles. You're trying to figure out what the examiner's talking about. Did he say something about a left, a right, or seagulls? But somehow you manage to get through it, one dodgy junction at a time. Here's the thing though, for all the faff, the CBT does one brilliant thing. It shows you how little you really know and how much potential freedom you're about to unlock. Whether it's commuting, touring, or just out for fun on the weekends, this little £150 day is the gateway to freedom. So good luck to Mrs. Grumble and anyone else doing their CBT this week. And remember, hydrate, clutch gently, and try not to park your bike in a bush. Drop a comment below if you have any CBT nightmares, or if you failed, even better. I want the details. As always, stay safe and feel free to subscribe for more moaning, motorcycles, and mild spiritual awakenings. See ya.